Got this Observer magazine from 1983. It's got some good old adverts in it. Get into some decent light. Light's quite bad in here, but I've got Spectrum advert. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, this takes me back to Christmas 1982 when I got a Spectrum for my Christmas. So just give you a look at that. Excellent. My favourite games were Lunar Jet, Man and Manic Miner. Just give you a look at the text. Right, sorry if it's not very clear, but I think you could probably freeze the video if you want to read that. But yeah, that's from an Observer magazine, 1983, February 83. So it's back in the day. Okay, hope you like that. Cheers.